A lot of people have been asking what settings I use to achieve such a smooth surface finish. I've spent a lot of time searching for the perfect settings to get flawless prints. But if I'm being honest, there's still a few small imperfections that bother me. If we take a close look, you can see that it has some small holes in the surface of the wall. You can also see some fine vertical artifacts that create a wavy pattern. The layer lines are more noticeable when the surface is illuminated from the side. So, I figured it's time to deep dive into the settings and see if I can push the quality even further. For these tests, I'm using Bambu Studio and printing on my Bambu Lab X1C with blue metallic filament which has been dried and fully calibrated prior to testing. I selected a part from the comfort model with a variety of geometries, making any improvements easy to identify. I'm using the smooth PEI plate with a standard nozzle and a layer height of 0.16 millimeters. The wall print speed is set to 70 and 80 millimeters per second. For supports, I'm using the normal support type with the default stock settings. The same problems appeared on this part as well. The holes seem to indicate that the filament is wet, so I swapped it out for another roll that I knew was much drier. However, that didn't solve the issue. After checking for potential slicing issues, I came across a tip online suggesting that I reduce the retraction length from 0.8 to 0.4 millimeters. I decided to give it a try to see if it would help resolve the issue. And it worked. The surface looks almost perfect. To minimize noticeable layer lines and fine vertical artifacts, I changed the wall print order to outer/inner. While this improved the surface finish, it introduced small bubbles on the outer wall. After a lot of trial and error, I focused on minimizing sudden changes in the sliced model by checking speed, flow, and layer time. I also adjusted seams by moving them to areas that are less likely to create visible defects on the exposed side. I think I might have found the perfect settings, at least for this filament. Even the panel lines on this part look more crisp and precise than before. So if you want to try this in your slicer, here are the settings I used. Feel free to drop a comment and let me know if these settings helped improve your prints. Happy printing!